and welcome to Sweet is Cooking. Anke here, and in today's episode I'm gonna show you how to make beautiful, healthy and most of all crispy corn fritters. Now I'm gonna show you not only the basic recipe but also two variations how you can add more flavors and spices to your corn fritters to make them even more delicious. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my cooking channel, consider subscribing, so it will help my channel to grow. But now, without further ado, let's get cooking. Turmeric, cilantro, garlic, chili flakes and red onion for our Indian-inspired sweet corn fritters. And here for our Mediterranean sweet corn fritters, red onion, finely chopped spinach and feta cheese. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, and here we have it, our beautiful sweet corn fritters. So this is the basic recipe, my Mediterranean style corn fritters and the Indian inspired ones. Actually serve my fritters with a beautiful yogurt dip, which I've got here, and I think it's time to try it now. I'm gonna choose the Mediterranean, the dipping sauce, and let's tuck in. Perfect. Bursting with flavor. I love the spinach and the feta cheese. It's gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. Please let me know in the comments below which flavor is your favorite and why. I hope to see you in my next video where I show you how to make quick and easy cabbage fritters. I see you there. Until then, sweetest cooking everyone.